What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're doing a Let's Ride today, back on the MT-07 2020 edition. I'm out here with Fumes. He's on my R6 for the day. I'm going to be riding the MT because I couldn't resist being not on a naked bike. I'm just being comfortable on the bike. Okay, son. You ready? I miss this. Literally just the same bike that I used to have way back when. Feels like forever ago. So we're going to Taco Bell. That's the mission. But on the way there, we thought we'd swap bikes for a bit. Woo! Already, man, this thing's crazy. So yeah, he's got the Acura full system, and also it's fully de-restricted, so it's got the airbox and the throttle plate and everything done, but it doesn't have the R6 throttle tube yet. So that's the only thing, I guess. Like, if you wanted to fully de-restrict it, I guess it's not necessary, but it's just a little accessory add-on to make it pull down further. Whoa, buddy, it's actually such a beautiful day today. So the reason that I'm letting him ride my bike today as well is because he's actually considering getting an R6 as well. So I thought I'd give him a little test ride on it, just to, you know, convince him. Switch over to the sport life, super sports. That's where it's at. But besides the de-restriction, that's about it. It's just got the aftermarket mirrors down here. Oh, and the quick shifter as well. It has launch control as well, apparently. I don't know if I just did it then. I don't know how it works. He said so, because I've never used launch control before, so I want to, like, I don't want to dump the clutch or anything. But apparently you go into first gear, hold the clutch in, and then rev it out to about, I think he said it limits at like 5,000. And then after that, you just let the clutch out slowly. Let me see, how does this work? Damn, I don't know if I just did it. I think you kind of heard it there. I want to get another red light so I can try it again. Maybe the next one then. That would have been such a good road to do it here, but oh well. Dude, I miss this, man. I miss being on the MT. It's just so flickable. A lot better for street riding. Oh, wait, how do I do it?
So completely still, clutch in, over like a fair amount, and then happens off like 5.
So you keep it at 5?
Try it now.
More?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Right. Okay, cool. I think I get it. Because I was doing it too low.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So 7,000. My bad. I thought it was 5,000. So torquey, man. One thing I don't miss about nakeds is the wind, man. So windy on this bike. Especially today, it's extra windy. That dog over there. Look at that dog. Look at the dog. Bruh. Go crazy. Okay, let's try it now. I'm gonna try launch control. Okay, kind of nervous. I'll just let the clutch out really slow. I might do it wrong, but that's okay. Hey, yo! That was sick! That was sick! That was actually cool. That wasn't even that bad. Okay, we're gonna jump on the highway now. Because I gotta show him how it is on the highway. It's his first time riding an R6. Yeah. I usually ride it in standard. Yeah. 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 So much wind on this thing, man. Oh yes, we got a red light. I get to use the launch control again. Alright, let's try this. Hey, we back, baby, we back. Let's go. A lot of traffic out this morning. Hey. Alright, I'm sorry, bud. I'm just gonna squeeze on through. I'm sorry, bro. I ain't a big fan of splitting on the highway, but sometimes, man. Gotta get to Taco Bell, man. It's lunchtime. Dude, it is so good just to be doing another Let's Ride on the MT. I don't care how many I've done now. This bike is just like such a nice all-round bike, just for street riding at least. It's got its flaws for sure, but I mean, I still think it's like an essential bike for a lot of people to ride. Having it like fully de-restricted is a lot different though to like the one that I used to own. I feel like one thing though, like owning a sport bike has made me like honestly want to wheelie like less, especially with that R6. Hey, oh never mind, it's not R6, it's like a R15. I thought it was an R6 over there. Yeah, like I know I did one before, but I mean like usually like on an MT I feel like I'd want to like do one all the time. Like when I used to have my own, I used to always want to do wheelies. But owning a sport bike, sort of like, I don't know, just like, I feel like, at least for wheelies, definitely not on the speed side of things, because, I mean, it's sort of built for that. But, in terms of like stunting and stuff, it's like made me a little, more tame, I would say. Dude, it keeps saying for me to like turn around. I know where this Taco Bell is. It's like straight up there. I'm gonna just turn this off. You'll ever get that sometimes? You'll ever feel like whenever you use maps, like sometimes it takes you the longer way to actually get there. Like it makes you go like an unnecessary way. It ain't even like required to do that. Like I know I can pull in like straight up, just up here, but it's like trying to get me to go around the whole block just for like, I don't even know, for whatever reason. But yeah, hey, MT-09, nice. Oh, M1000 or S1000R? Oh, what happened to the KFC? It's getting renovated. Hey, we had Taco Bell, baby. We made it. Should we go drive through? I'll go drive through. I'm gonna get some tacos. I'm gonna get some tacos for the boys. Oh, he's following me. Are they... can I just get 2 Chipotle Crunch burrito meals?
Both with beef?
Yeah.
Yep, large or regular?
2 larges, please. Yes, please. Thank you.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's it.
22, 25, drop it.
Oh crap, I gotta get my card. Forgot to get my card out. I might just park up. I'm gonna go park up. Why is there a scooter there? I'm gonna go park with the scooter. Okay. Lunchtime, baby. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Shout out to Fumes as well. I'll leave his stuff in the description down below. Letting me ride the MT again. So good. Hopefully we'll see him on an R6 very shortly. It's gonna be good. Have the R6 collab duo. When he gets the R6, I'll make another video with his new bike. But it's good to be back on an MT. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.